Found ourselves alone, far from home, far from our home. Left it all behind, fragments in our mind, in our mind. And now we're far from our home, yeah, we're far from.
All right, out again in the Wingham Reserve. Awesome place. Just met up with John and Jordan, so they're going to take me for a bit of a run around this area. Being local, so they know the area well, so for once I don't have to concentrate so much. So yeah, we'll go for a cruise around here. Some awesome big fig trees, and it's just nice. Great little boardwalk system. So in our travels today, we're going to end up at a place called the Bird Tree, which is I'm not sure what type of tree it is, but it's a big fella. So it's a bit of a tree theme to this ride. Yeah, so we'll go into the Bird Tree via the back sort of country, which is a little bit trickier than going in the front way, but go in, cross over the top, and probably grab a feed in there. Got some snags and onions, sizzle up a feed. But yeah, awesome. All right, we'll keep wandering around, check it out. All right. Damn. Bloody roots are up to my bum. Wow. Somewhere under that, these roots. Somewhere under this is a tree, the original tree. These roots are full on. The old trees are full of bats. Flying foxes, fruit bats, whatever the correct name is. But yeah, needs smell-o-vision. But there's plenty there. But yeah, no, there's plenty in here. This is obviously some haven for them. All right, keep wandering around. I think you can loop back to where I started. Cute little ones. Got the stairs. Alright, we're pretty well going to get out of here. I'm going to follow the guys through, I think Cedar Creek Road or something, I think you call it. So I'll leave the cows and we will go wandering towards Bird Tree in that national park area. Middleborough, I think it is. Anyway, we'll go check it out. Check out these cows, they're so cute.
Yeah, I'm glad I did now.
Alright, I'll follow the guys down to the water. Go check her out. Yeah, nice little reserve down here. It seems to be like free camping. Free sort of camping area. Yeah, overnight parking, I guess, is their wording. Got toilets, a couple of shelter sheds. Yeah, mate, beautiful. Look how glassy it is. Too easy. Yeah, that's nice. Beautiful. A little bit brown, but she's nice and calm. Alright, let's go.
Found ourselves alone,
This is great. Don't have to plan, navigate. I will eventually, but mate, just follow the locals around. It's too easy.
Found ourselves alone, far from home, far from our home. Left it all behind, fragments in our mind, in our mind. Now we're far from our home.
Alright, we're on the dirt. I don't know where we are. What's Short Street or something? I'll put a map to this one if I can remember, and we'll yeah, it should be a fun way to get to, I think it gets to Lansdowne from Wingham, so sounds good to me. All new to me.
Yeah, we're far from home, from home. Now we're far from our home. Yeah, we're far from home.
Pretty cool run through there. Pretty well in front of us, that lumpy mountain range is Coorabak. This is been good. Good little shortcut. Yarra Road, Cedar Creek Road, and Short Road. Missed out all of Taree, ended up the coast closer to Coorabak.
From home. Nothing seems the same. Everything's changed. Everything's changed. Got lost in our minds, running all the time, running out of time. And now we're far from our home. Yeah, we're far from home. From home.
Nice in here. It's on Hannonvale Road. I'm going to run into Jerusalem Road, and then eventually I think it's called Mumfords, and that'll take me up into that national park over there, up by the sort of backcountry. That big lumpy mountain there we'll get into. Actually, that one over there. One of them. That is the plan. Bloody nice in here. This is awesome. All right. Up and into it. So we're on Mumfords now. Hopefully we can get through the top. Just seen the logging truck sign, so if you ever see them, you know, if you're going to have a logging truck in here, it's going to be a decent bit of road. Hopefully we can link up to Bird Tree. I guess we'll find out. Well, still going. Haven't come to any sort of shutout bits. Bit of an uphill thing happening at times, but so far so good. It's still good. 1.6 kilometres apparently. I sort of lost it on my map, but just seen a sign, so there's hope. Yeah, got up a fair bit higher now. Been a few hill climbs, nothing bad, but just gained some ground. Here we go, eh? Found her. Guys behind me, cool. Oh, it was fun. Wasn't sure I'd even be able to get through there. Sort of had a feeling it was, I don't know, just a bit of a go track, but no, it's all easy going. Well, pretty easy going. Alright, let's go check out the tree. Oh, we got someone here. It is a sad day. Bullocks, you reckon? Or just trucks at that sort of period, you reckon? Like for this stuff, like cutting out these trees, how do you reckon they got them out?
A lot of difficulty.
With a what? Bullock? Yeah, I'm thinking, as we were just saying, like it's probably 80 years ago, this sort of stuff, eh? Yeah. 60, 80 minimum. Oh, there you go, exactly what John was just saying. The little cuts in there to put the planks in to stand on. There's another one. Then it's all double-ended saws, isn't it?
Yep.
Wow. I remember reading about the reason they go up so high is because the better wood starts up a bit higher.
Oh, okay.
It's liable to be hollow. It doesn't look it, but that was their logic of starting higher.
Yeah.
Part of it anyway. All right. Let's go check out one that's not chopped down.
Yeah.
They would have had fun trying to get this big one out we're about to see. Well, that big knobbly one.
Fresh air.
Fresh air. It's crazy. That's a beast, isn't it? Look at the base of it. We have found Big Bertha. I don't know what it's called, but oh yeah, that is huge. Damn. I'll get some perspective with you guys. Wow, look at that. You look tiny compared to this.
Little Lego man, really.
You're the little Lego man. Yeah, wow. So what type of tree is it, I would say? Is it? I'll find out. What have we got here? Benaroon tree. I guess that's a traditional name for it, but the actual type of tree I'll find and put it up on the screen. Yep.
What sort of tree was it, Phil?
It's got a sign over there, but I think it's like the Aboriginal name for it.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, it's not like a tree name I've heard of, so that is a serious piece of timber. And it's cool, I got this walkway around it so you can have a good look, because there's a pretty good drop off over the edge. Actually a bit of a dry creek down there. But no, it's probably, they reckon with these trees, the big tree will be the parent of lots of the others around, because the seed spread by the birds and stuff.
Yeah.
So this is probably every one of these. Not sure of the tree type, but all these ones around probably because of this one, which is pretty cool.
Makes sense.
Yeah. It's effectively the parent, I guess you'd call it. All right, well, we're gonna wind our way out of here and gonna go down to this little creek a bit further towards the highway. Might have a barbecue down there. And yeah, check out there's a couple of little cascadey waterfalls, only small, but it's pretty, so that is the plan. Alright, out of the big tree, the bird tree. We're going to go this way back, which I'm pretty sure is the way. We're going to end up pulling up. There's a little creek down here. Go pull up on the creek, and we've got some sausages and onions, a few bread rolls. Sizzle them up, I reckon.
Found ourselves alone, far from home, far from our home. Left it all behind.
What an awesome spot to end the ride. It's been a great day. It was good to catch up with John and Jordan. Jordan had been out here. He'd been to Bird Tree fairly recently, but John hadn't been there for 30-something years, so it's a few memories for the place for him. And what a top spot to have a barbecue and finish off. So now what I've got to do is get home, a couple of drinks, chill out, and I will catch you on the next one. Alright guys, cheers for watching.